Hi, this is Sarah from Velo. Today is a very special day. It is Paul's birthday, and it is also the day his birthday present has arrived. We asked you on Instagram and YouTube what you thought it might be. It isn't an upgrade to his current Brompton. So, is it a gravel bike, a T-line, or a G-line? Let's find out.
G-line. Yes. Got the G-line for my birthday. So why the G-line? Why not? I have another Brompton, and you know I love my Bromptons, as some of you have probably seen all my videos about them and my love for them. Therefore, there's no harm in getting another one. I love Brompton, I love the brand, I want to support them as much as they've supported me with supplying me with a great product. So I thought it'd be a giggle to get the G-line. I was thinking about the T-line, definitely not in a position financially to get the T-line because it's a bit more expensive, but the T-line is just a lighter version of the bike I've got, the kind of more lighter modern version of the P6R, which I've got, whereas the G-line is completely reimagined. And I've fallen in love with Sarah's Molten and the idea of kind of a 20-inch off-road folding collapsible travel bike. So we bit the bullet and I've got this for my birthday. Really happy with it. First impressions are it feels completely different to my other one, which I'm really happy about because I don't necessarily want the direct comparison. I definitely won't be folding this as much as my other one. It'll probably stay more together because it will be for kind of different riding, whereas my other one is more of a beast for folding on and off trains and other forms of public transport like buses. But yeah, I really like it. I've always wanted a bike with an Alpine 8. I love the hubs, the Alpine 8 especially. I've just always loved them. The brakes feel really good. It feels comfortable and it feels very purposeful. So I'm really quite happy with it so far. I'm just going to keep it stock. So I'm just going to use all the stock parts. I'm not even going to put clips for the pedals. I'm just going to ride it as it is, which is what I did with my initial Brompton. And then if I feel as though I need to upgrade it, I will. But I don't think at the moment there is anything that really needs upgrading because it looks good to go. So let's look at what the G-line gives you. So it gives you 20-inch wheels, bigger than a standard 16-inch Brompton. We've got Schwalbe G1 tyres, which are more of a gravel, light off-road specific tyre. I believe it's an aluminium fork. You've got a threadless headset. Other ones have a threaded headset, so that's quite new for me. Got the same block as usual. You've got more of a curved stem. This one is the medium. I believe that it's the stem that increases the size as well as the seat post. So this seat post is not the extendable, but the extended version. So standard on the small, extended, and then extendable, which has another quick release on it. This has really nice wide bars with probably like a 20mm rise on them. Super comfy with ergonomic grips, which I really like. I don't have that on my other bike, so I really, really like them. We also have bottle cage bosses, so I'll be putting a bottle cage on there. The hinges are really nice and updated, or the clamps, the hinge clamps, and the hinge looks to be more of a removable job than my current one that has to be kind of punched out. The frame itself, it almost like has a deserty, off-roady type finish. So we'll see how durable that is. It feels really nice. I'll be putting some frame protection on where cables rub. Black seat post, really comfortable saddle. Really like that. And it's a Brompton saddle. So I'll be keeping that. I thought I was going to change it out, but that's actually really nice. Got some nice bigger wheels. Everything just feels a little bit more solid, obviously because from buying my other bike, it's like 10 years on. Got a nice clamp. As mentioned, a newer suspension block. We've got a whopping 54 tooth chain ring, which is pretty big. We'll see how time goes, whether I put that down to a 50, but it feels good at the moment. We've got a detachable pedal. That's a revelation. And then when it's folded, it slots just in there. So as mentioned, the wheels are 20-inch and it's got the lovely Alpine 8 hub. I've had lots to do with this hub over the years and I love it. The Alpine 11 is another option from Shimano. It's not got as good a reputation as the 8. The 8 is hopefully, if I say it now, bulletproof. It's really good. You just have to take the internals out and bathe them once a year or after so many miles. And that's the kind of service schedule on that. So I'm really happy to have it. It shifts really nice and feels really good. The brakes are from TRP. They have 140mm centre lock rotors. I've always liked the TRP brakes. They feel really nice. Feel different from other brands, but they feel really nice and hopefully should be durable. I really like the flat mount option. It makes them the calipers a little bit smaller than having an IS or post mount. So yeah, really happy. From a wheel building point of view, the wheels look as though they're built really well, and the spokes are super thin, but all seem really nice and strong. I think they've gone for like a one cross pattern, but yeah, looks really good. Maybe an offset rim. So the only thing to do now is to go for a ride and go for a similar ride. So first ride I'm going to do is to my parents, as I do that ride a lot, and it's a mixed terrain, so I can then really feel the difference compared to my other Brompton, and then do lots of long-term reviews and look at what I can achieve on this bike by doing maybe some light bike packing and some adventures. So what fun. And the sun's out and the spring and summer are on, so there we go. Great bike from a great brand, and so far I'm really happy. So happy birthday me, and expect lots of videos about the G line, about my other bike, and very much loads more Brompton videos, because I love Bromptons and I love small wheel bikes. I would like to add that in a recent video I did, I think I said that I was going to become a one bike person. Well, that was complete rubbish. I'll take that back because I've now got another bike. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.